Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make a ginger garlic paste at your home. So for the ginger garlic paste, what you need, here I took half a cup of ginger, half a cup of peeled garlic, some oil and some turmeric powder. So take a blender. I'm going to add all the things like half a cup of ginger, half a cup of garlic. I'm not going to add water, guys. I'm going to add I'm going to add little bit of oil into this. So we have to add 1 tablespoon of oil. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, that is haldi, into this. So I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, that is haldi powder, into this, and I'm going to grind all these things together as a smooth paste without adding water, because I added oil. If you add water, that garlic paste, it won't stay long, so that's why we are adding the oil. So my ginger garlic paste is ready, and I can feel the smell, guys. Very nice smell of the ginger garlic paste, and this is the homemade and no preservative. We can keep it in the refrigerator for up to 2 to 3 weeks. So yeah, and it's time to put it in the container. So my ginger garlic paste is ready and I put it in the container, and we can store this one in the fridge for up to 2 to 3 weeks, very fresh. And we have to remember things, guys, like we should not supposed to put the wet spoon into this or wet hand into this. So everything should be dry. So yeah, so this is a quick video of how to make the fresh homemade ginger garlic paste at your home. See you soon in another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Bye.